Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting right in the page. Sign into Notion and open the workspace you'll use. Once done, create or pick the target page and find the exact block where the widget should live. This saves rework. Make a quick choice about widget type, embed links for third-party widgets, calendar for schedule integrations, or an HTML-based widget via an embed service. You need this decision now because it affects the URL or code you'll copy in the next step. You add the widget by inserting an embed block, type /embed or choose embed from the block menu, then paste the widget URL or iframe code you obtained. Once pasted, make sure to resize the block by dragging edges or using provided width and height controls so content fits visually. If the widget needs API keys or permissions, enter them now and confirm access. Preview the embedded widget to verify interactivity and layout before moving on, because this prevents layout surprises later. Finish by securing the widget. Lock the block or convert the page into a template if others will edit it, and set page permissions appropriately. Then test the widget, refresh the page, open it on mobile, and confirm data sync or interactivity works. If something goes wrong, first recheck the copied URL or iframe, confirm the provider allows embedding cores, and verify any required keys or permissions. If issues persist, replace the iframe with the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.